To be able to greet is an Islamic teaching. To be able to respond to a greeting is a Quranic injunction. You have to. Someone says, Assalamu alaikum. You like it or you don't like it. You have to say, Wa alaikum assalam, the minimum. You like it or you don't like it. You have to say, Wa alaikum assalam, the minimum. May Allah grant us acceptance. Why? Why do we say that's the minimum? The minimum because someone made a prayer for you. May peace be upon you. Wow, what an amazing way of greeting people. May peace be upon you. I'm in search of peace, so are you. May peace be upon you. Assalam, all types of peace. I pray that you have good health. I pray that you have contentment. I pray that everything goes good for you. You have a good job. I pray that you get sustenance from Allah. Your worries are taken care of by Allah. Difficulty is taken away from you, and so much more. I pray for that and the blessings and the mercy of Allah upon you. That's a Muslim when I'm just saying hi. That's what it is.